Cameron Datanagan. I'm one of the organizers here for the 2013 Ewa Bird Show and Craft Fair. This one we have more corporate sponsors. We have Tony Honda, United Parcel Service. Our craft fair is just booming. Keiki are bringing their animals and we're giving them prizes. This event, we have 2 pheasants, we have quails, we have turkeys, we have ducks, we have Jackson chameleons. The proceeds of the raffle is going to go help Ewa School, help the kids with their field trips and this donation towards everything.
My name is Keiki. It's the girl. It sleeps with me. It makes a lot of doo-doo. I have a turtle, 2 dogs. My dad takes care of my turtle.
They're called Perionyx excavatus, or blue worms. These are tropical worms out of India, very specific type that love garbage. And they eat their weight, so you got feed them on a regular basis. Well, in a handful, I get about 1 ounce of worms, and normally I sell about 4 ounces to get started, and that way they'll double in a matter of 3 months.
We want more community leaders, like we did have Congress people here. We want more business people here. It's a free event. It's a win-win situation for everyone. For more information, you can get ewabirdshow.com